Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to update your password in wealthfront. Whether you're beefing up your security or just want to change things up, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother updating your password? In today's digital world, keeping your accounts secure is crucial to protect your hard-earned money and personal info. Wealthfront, being a popular investment platform, makes this process straightforward and user-friendly. So, grab your device, and let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Open the Wealthfront app or head to their website on your browser. Enter your current email and password to access your dashboard. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. We'll cover resets in another video, but for now, assume you're good to go. Once you're logged in, Step 2. Navigate to the Settings section. Look for a gear icon or a profile menu, usually in the top right corner. Click on that, and it should take you to your account settings. Now, Step 3. Find the security or password settings. This might be under a tab labeled Security, Privacy, or directly as Change Password. Wealthfront keeps things simple, so it should be easy to spot. Step 4. Enter your current password for verification. This is a safety measure to ensure it's really you making the change. Then, type in your new password. Make it strong. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't forget to re-enter it in the confirmation field to avoid any typos. Step 5. Hit the Save or Update button. Wealthfront might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye on that. Finally, Step 6. Log out and log back in with your new password to make sure everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, Wealthfront's support team is there to help. There you have it. Updating your password in Wealthfront is quick and painless, helping you stay secure. Remember, it's a good habit to change passwords every few months and enable two-factor authentication if available. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.